If you want to use Translator on the Redmi A7 Pro for real-life conversations, then unfortunately there is no built-in option that allows you to do so. But what we can do is we can simply use the Play Store and we can download a Translator app that has that feature. So we can go to search option over here, we can use the search field at the top, and if you type translate, and then you should be able to find, of course, a bunch of different apps. We can use, let's say, the Google Translate app, which has that feature. It's free, it doesn't have any ads, so it's very convenient app to use. And of course, the Google Translate is, I think, one of the best translation apps currently. So if we open the app, then in here at the bottom, we can immediately see in the prompt that we can use the conversation mode. And if we go to the conversation over here, we can also, of course, grant all the necessary permissions. There we go. And now what you say out loud is going to be converted into a text and then immediately translated. You can choose languages, of course. You can tap on the microphone area to stop the microphone. And you can also switch these languages, of course. You can just tap on them to choose whichever language you want to translate from and to. You can switch to the face-to-face view, which might be a little bit convenient to use in certain situations. You can also use the speaker icon over here in order to play the translation. If you go to settings in the upper right corner, you can adjust the text size and you can automatically you can enable the automatic playback. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.